Hey guys, sorry about the video delay. My 6-year-old got strep, so I had to take him to the doctor and sort it out. So he's good now. So let's start on the video with powdery snow. I pre-froze my blender first of all, and I pre-froze it for if you have a normal fridge, it'll take you maybe 1 to 2 hours. But if you have an old fridge like I do, it'll try to take you a little bit more, just depending on your fridge. I usually start with 4 ice cubes, because, they're pretty big ice cubes. And then, there you go. And then just blend. I usually blend for about 30 to 40 seconds to give you the powdery texture. Okay, here we go. Oh shit. I usually start off with 3 ice cubes. Okay, here we go. Maybe it's 2. Hold on. There we go. Blender difficulties. Hold on. Alright, here we go. There we go, guys. You see that? The fluffy whiteness. Let me empty this out. This is some extra ice I had from when I was eating ice earlier by myself without the video. I'll probably just throw it into the blender. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Fluffy whiteness. Oh, sorry, the beam was too far away. Alright, here we go. Look at that. It's just so fluffy. Alright. The 30 seconds I learned by watching Icy Chick Love's video. If you don't know who she is, go and check her out. She's really good. A lot of the ice tricks that I learned from watching her. And if you're new, to the ice eating community, go and check her out. She's really good. Like I said, blending is 30 to 40 seconds. to give you the snow texture. Look at that. Look at how fluffy that is. That's crazy. I might just put this in the freezer and eat chunks on a different video. I don't know. You guys want icy chunks? Icy powdery chunks? Let me know. I'll make them. Okay, that's enough of the loud sounds. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to make not powdery ice. I'm going to show you how to make the ice chips you guys love so much. Let me go get the stuff. I'll be right back in 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is what I use to make the ice chips. Can you see, or is it too glary? These mirror lights, you can never tell. It's just a regular cupcake, you know, the cupcake holders, you know, like you see like at the schools and stuff, or I don't know, like sometimes coworkers will bring cupcakes, birthdays, or you know, whatever. And just regular tap water. I mean, I use carbonated water too, but the chips you've been seeing in my videos have been tap water. So what you're gonna do is not fill it all the way. You're just gonna fill it to, like, you see that bottom? You're just gonna fill the bottom only, not all the way, just the bottom. So it's only gonna need a little bit of water, so you can get the thin, nice chips that you guys have been loving. Okay, let's see if I can fill it without making a mess. Okay. Okay, I filled it, and that is what it should look like. Can you see? Barely any water whatsoever, so you get the thin niceness of the chip. Okay, now let me fill the rest of them so you can see. And you know, guys, I know I don't say it on a lot of my videos, but I'm so happy that, oh, I overdid that one, sorry. I'm so happy that you come to support me and watch me and just have generally nice things to say. It makes me really happy because, you know, like, some days are just like really stressful, so I don't know. I just love it when you guys do that for me. And I'm really happy, by the way, to hear that a lot of you are able to relax on my channel, because a lot of you tell me why I fall asleep to your videos, or you know, like, I can't wait to get off work and watch you on my videos. And I'm like, oh my goodness, that's so sweet. I know I haven't gotten to all your requests yet, but I'm working hard to get them all. So please be patient and your requests will show up. I might just make a list and, like, I don't know, you know, like, today I'm gonna do so and so's requests, and tomorrow I might do so and so's requests, you know, something like that. Because really, my channel would not exist without you guys. Like, there'd be no me without you. Is that a song or a poem or something? I swear I've heard it before. I don't know. Let me know. Okay, guys, I filled these up and I'm gonna go put them in the freezer, and I'm gonna be back. Actually, you know what? I think I have some pre-made, because I was gonna eat some this morning. They're my favorite. Like, I know Ali Iceberg did it first, but oh my goodness, I'm so glad she introduced it to the ice community, because they are one of my favorites. Here, let me go pull them out, and so you can see the end result. Okay, guys, here is the end result. As you can see, very thin, just the bottom. I know some of them are a little big, like maybe this one. It was not meant to be this big. It was meant to be this big. Let's see if I can pop it off for you. See, with these little cupcake holders, you just press a little on the bottom, and it just pops right out. See? Like, wait. Sorry guys, I gotta do it. So now that you know how to make powdery snow ice and chips, hopefully you guys can enjoy this treat at home whenever you want. Or maybe when you're watching me, you can enjoy some ice chips. Because, eating together is better than eating alone. I totally hate eating alone. Whatever. If you want to eat ice to my videos, that's cool. And, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was helpful for you. I might just do more, but I'm not sure. You know? Anyway, I hope you have a blessed morning and a good day and everything turns out well for you today, because everybody needs a little boost in the morning. We don't know what each other are going through. And I just hope you have a great day, week, life. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Love you.